Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to look around on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to look around on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone, and after opening your Google Map application guys, first go to the location where you want to look around, zoom in on the Google Maps like this, and after zooming on the location which you want to look around on, where you want to look around, tap and hold on that place. And when the red pin appears, you can see this picture appearing just over this interface. At the left side, bottom left side, there is the picture over here. Tap on the picture which is just above this interface at the left side, and this kind of picture will be shown to you, where you will be able to maximize it and you will be able to view around or look around on your Google Maps like this. And with that being said guys, this is how to look around on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.